Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Gemini app. You will enter to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Gemini app and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.